Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you in the UK ready to jump into a new Royal Match event, but it's just not showing up? It is a really confusing and frustrating issue, but don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes that should get those events to trigger for you. First things first, let's look at your internet connection. Even though the core gameplay is offline, events and leaderboards need to communicate with the servers. So go ahead and switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that helps. An unstable connection can prevent the game from properly receiving the event data. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the app's cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, and from here you can either use the search bar or just scroll down until you find the Royal Match application. Tap on it. Go to the storage and cache section, and at the very bottom you will see the clear cache button. Another thing to consider is whether your game or your phone software is up to date. The developers, Dream Games, regularly release updates to fix bugs and introduce new content. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Royal Match and make sure you have the latest version. You should also check for any pending system updates on your device. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the last resort. But a huge warning here, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Facebook account or Apple ID. If it's not, you will lose all your progress. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Royal Match again from the store. I really hope one of these fixes worked for you and you're back to enjoying the latest Royal Match event. If you're still having issues, you may need to contact the game support team directly. Let me know in the comments which solution helped you, and if this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!